So is it time to sell your Tesla stock? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. And like many of you guys have probably already heard, there's over 9,000 Tesla vehicles, mainly Model X's and Model Y's, if I'm not mistaken, that were recalled today because of specific parts that fall off while you're driving. So that is some unfortunate news. Obviously, that's acting as a negative catalyst, a lot of selling pressure going on right now, and kind of like slowing down this momentum that Tesla has had. So what I wanted to share with you is this question that everyone has is it time to sell Tesla? I want to share with you my plan. At the end of the day, please share your plan down in the comment section. If we see eye to eye, then make sure you smash that like button. But before I even get to that, like many of you guys have been waiting for, we just dropped our new Bull Boy collection. So if you guys click the third link down below or go to shoptechbuds.com, click on latest collection, and you guys can see our new hoodies, scallop t-shirts, long sleeve t-shirts, our new Alcantara hat, flag, and dialed and dedicated stickers are now all available. Let me tell you this, and I try to repeat this as many times as possible. We do not restock on these drops. Once they sell out, we don't bring back the same designs. Sweaters are the ones that tend to sell out within the first 24 to 48 hours. If you like the design and you like the hoodie, please just do your part in picking it up, especially in the specific size if you have a popular size that you tend to fit in. This is a nice little kind of detailed shot just so you guys can kind of get an understanding of what to expect. They come in 3 different colors, and that's in sand. They come in that nice little salmon, and of course, the nice little grays. And again, if you guys want anything from the Bull Boy collection, make sure you click the third link down below and visit the Shop Tech Buds store. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get right to it. I want to show you guys an update of kind of where I stand right now. I'm up a little bit over $1,000 on the day, but I want to share with you my plan. I have a stop loss on Tesla, and my stop loss is at pre-market lows with 90 shares. Right now I have a total of 140 shares. I'm down about $50 on the day. Why 90 shares? Well, you guys know that when I hold something overnight, or when it comes down to an active position that I want in Tesla, I only want 50 shares. So I have 140 open, so 90 would pretty much just get me back to the point that if it continues to sell off, I'm okay with still being invested with 50 shares. So 90 shares is simply what I'm day trading with. And the really exciting part about this is that, yes, the unfortunate news of this Tesla recall did act as a negative catalyst and did slow down the momentum. But one of the things that you need to take into consideration is that Tesla is like the infamous hype stock, and it can continue to uptrend. But what I want to point out is, again, you guys know that all I want to do is, just like we talked about in yesterday's video, is keep some profits in your pocket. That's all I want you to like have in mind. Have a plan, have structure. I don't want you to be the same person or like the people a couple months ago when Tesla was consistently uptrending, right? Consistently uptrending. And then it breaks below the EMA line. It breaks its pattern, right? We're making higher highs, higher lows above the EMA line. It breaks below the EMA line. And this is due to the unfortunate news right after its 5-in-1 split. And it aggressively begins to sell off and test the SMA line, which acts as a support level. Look at the SMA line. Look where we're at right now. There's no question that Tesla is overbought. For long-term investors, of course, if you think that it's going to go to $1,000, $2,000 a share, all power to you. You have a different plan, right? This is more for swing traders and day traders. You guys need to have a plan, especially if you're someone that purchased Tesla in the higher 500s. Tesla is very overbought based off of recent patterns. No question about it. Can it continue to uptrend? Of course, if the momentum continues. But if it continues to receive negative news like we're experiencing today, it wouldn't be much of a surprise that we begin to test the EMA line as a potential support level, and it breaks below the EMA line, and it could continue to sell off back to the SMA line as it's done so many times before. All I want is for you to have a plan, a max dollar loss, max percentage loss, max whatever, right? Trailing stop loss, however it is that you want to approach Tesla, but you need to have structure with your trading, and you need to know when to walk away and keep some profits in your pocket. So I wanted to share my plan with you, as in I'm in with 140 shares right now because I think that Tesla can still continue to uptrend. And I was down on Tesla quite a bit when the market just opened. Even with my 50 shares, I think I held 55 shares, overnight, which I tend to do. I tend to hold like 50 or 60 shares. I added more to my position during the Learn Plan Profit live trading session, and now I'm not down very much, right? This is the great thing about it is, yeah, I hope Tesla continues to uptrend. I hope that it hits 600, 700, 800, but I'm going to continue to play it like this. And this is why. Tesla is so overbought that it has a lot of pullback potential. So holding something overnight I'm down to, right? Because I see that long-term potential in Tesla, but I'm going to reduce my position size. When it comes down to intraday plays, that is when I can go with the extra 100 to 150 shares and day trade with that, take advantage of all the intraday opportunity. And then again, when it comes down to holding my position overnight, I go back to my 50 shares. Why? Because it's so overbought and I know it could pull back. I would rather be prepared than to be surprised. And again, that's just my 2 cents. I have my alert if it breaks below the EMA line, which is around $534, and I have my alert to see if we actually begin to make higher highs right around $568. All I want you to take into consideration is to not be someone like we experienced about 2 months ago when Tesla, after its stock split, aggressively began to sell off and everyone began to freak out. It's not anything you have to be surprised about. It's just be prepared and have a plan. We've been absolutely killing it with Tesla, so it wouldn't really surprise me if I have one red day in the past, 8 days total, and we've been absolutely killing it this week. If you watched any of my videos last week, I had 2 $6,000 days. This was my day on Monday at a $5,300 day, and my day yesterday is at $3,400. As of right now, so far, I'm up a little bit over 700. I keep going from 700 to about $1,000 profit. I'm so thankful and I'm so grateful for all the opportunity that Tesla has presented these past couple of days. But I know when something is overbought, and I know that I would rather be prepared than to be surprised. The last one that I want to update you guys on is BBY. We talked about this stock yesterday, and it looks like it's actually finding a support level. I locked in some of my profits already. I went in with an additional 50 shares. I bought in 50 shares yesterday, went in with an additional 50 during the Learn Plan Profit live trading session, and I locked in some of my profits. I'm up 160 on the day with a total. I mean, that's about 1.6% that I've made off of a very small position. And it's cool. It's cool because why? Looking at BBY, Best Buy, I understand if you don't see value in it just due to all the stores that are closing, 100%, I get it. But it sold off so aggressively that it could have been an overreaction. It built a support level just like it has before based off of the SMA line and previous trading prices. And you can see that now we're working towards testing the EMA line. And once it breaks above that, then I can add $20,000, $30,000 to my position size and slowly begin to ride this bad boy back up if we get proper indication. So that's my trading plan on those two. But other than that, again, I really do appreciate you guys' time. Don't forget to visit the Shop TechBud site, especially if you want to pick up any of our Bull Boy collection, especially the sweaters, and that's that third link down below. Make sure to stay connected. If you guys have ever wanted to join a free investing or trading group, click the first link down below. That's going to send you on over to our TechBud Solutions Facebook page where we have over 293,000 members. And again, that's that first link down below. You heard me talk about them in this video. It's the Learn Plan Profit Group. And if you're ready to watch me trade live every single day, not tomorrow because of Thanksgiving, so happy early Thanksgiving, but the days that follow, especially for the following days, half day, right? If I'm not mistaken, Friday's a half day. Then make sure you click the second link down below, learn a little bit more about the Learn Plan Profit Group. And last but not least, I wanted to ask you guys, should we run a Black Friday sale for Learn Plan Profit? If you think that we should, just make sure you smash that like button. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Wish you guys nothing but an amazing rest of your day. Hope and wish you and your loved ones an amazing, happy Thanksgiving. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.